S1K DK back for another video. Today we got CBR PJ. We got two other people behind us, one on an F4i and one on an R6. So I'm wearing full leather today, right boys? And I got Abby on the back, and I'm a short motherfucker, we all know this, right? So I went to have Abby go on the back of my bike when I was sitting on it, and I definitely tipped my bike over, but it's okay. I got the frame sliders on, no extra damage. It was on the left side, so I mean, it's obviously, it's not the first time and it won't be the last, boys. So I don't know, I'm thinking about lowering my bike this year, maybe just an inch. An inch would do it justice. It was pretty embarrassing, I won't lie. My God. But right now we are going to a car show. We're going to meet up with another S1K and a few other guys. So I will get back to you when we get there. I don't want to waste all the battery. What's up, boys? We are at the ride now. We got... Fuck, let me see if I can... We got a Ninja 400, CBR 600RR, an F4i, R6, another S1K. We got a... I think it's a Honda. We got another Honda. It's a cruiser though. Honda Shadow. I like Honda Shadows, man. We got the F4i, R6. Keep her coming. Keep her coming. A Honda Shadow, an S1K, CBR 600, and we got another guy. I think that's another Honda Shadow, and we got the ZX10. It's looking good day. It's looking good. Right now we are in beautiful, beautiful Mexico. I'm not leading today, boys. I don't know this place in Mexico that well. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Hi. Thank you guys so much for all the love that has been supporting on my last two videos. We hit 1,000 views in both of the videos, which is amazing. That's 50% of my viewer base, basically. So thank you guys so much. It means the world to me. And I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I don't know if I'm going to have to cut a lot of stuff out yet, but we will have to see. And I'm trying different settings on my GoPro, guys. So if you guys like this more, please let me know down in the comments. If you guys don't like this, I will switch back. Just let me know in the comments what you guys think. It should be a little bit darker. It should be a little bit more motion blurry, so you guys can really tell how fast we go. Sometimes, you know, it's all AI generated, by the way, but you know what I'm trying to say. So let me know what you guys think. We will see how it is. But I'm not leading, so I have no idea where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Oh shit. Oh, we're just going, we're going back. I guess we're just gonna cruise College Ave back and forth. I don't like that idea. This guy's absolute straight pipe. He doesn't even have a can on his bike. Look at this. It sounds like it needs a tune really bad. I know. That's how it's that's what it does. Dude, that one spits flames. My God. Whoa. Yeah, quick trip to Quick Trip, buds. my boys just left the car meet. I'm sorry about the highway footage. I totally forgot to plug my microphone in, but we are heading home. It's starting to get dark outside. We have a birthday party that we have to get to. So I hope you guys liked that little montage, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys all. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Peace out. Stay easy. All love.